I will add some components here in our project. Let's add some components and see. Yeah. So let's design some components here. So first, ng generate component. I will give as products data. Skip test equal to true. Products data is a component. Okay. That is products data component. So once skip test, okay. Skip test equal to true. Okay, fine. Once products data component is designed, now I am adding another component, ng generate component. Filter is a component. Okay, just filter. So skip test equal to true. So we have products data component and filter component. Right. Our intention is here how we can configure the events. Our intention is in various components we use products data. In various components we use products data. In various components we use products data. Generally we use products data in various components. And wherever you use products data, I want a filter for it. I want a filter so that you can search for any product. You can get the products, display the products. I want operations like filtering, sorting on those data. So filtering, sorting, like such things I want to handle on the data. That means now this filtering, sorting need not to be designed for every table, every type. What we can do is we can create a reusable filter component, and we can attach this reusable filter component, inject into all the components wherever we need that filtering. Wherever we need that filtering. That means we will design a functionality. We will inject that into other components, and other components can use that functionality. But here challenging point is the data, the event from this filter should be transported to this component, and the data from this component, right? So the data from that component, the data from this component should come to this component so that it can filter that data. That means we need to transport data from one component to another. So that means, so we need operations like input. We need operations like input, and we need operation like output. We need operation like output. So input gets the value, output emits the value. That means our component needs the input and output operations to get the value and emit the value. So that is the intention, how we want to design, right? So let's see how we can manage this. So first, we are creating the products data. Let's go and start with the products data. So in the module I am starting with products data component. Okay. And in the index app products data, let's keep products data. Okay. We are starting with the products data component. Products data works. Okay. Let's go to the design. Here in the products data, I'm adding some records in the products data HTML TS. In this products data TS, I'm adding some data. Let's keep some data here. Yeah, let's add some data here. So public products is the data, and it is having some details, some name. So we have some details. So some assets, we have some, I will use them. Okay. Yeah. Suppose I said JBL, some speaker. Okay. And here price, I entered some price. Okay. And I'm adding some category, some photo. So we have like some assets slash JBL speaker dot JPG, and it belongs to a category that is electronics. Electronics is the category. We are just designing that electronics category. All right. Now similarly, I'm adding other products here. Another product. So 3-4 products we will add here. We are adding some products here. So JBL speaker. So, and I have some assets, right? Some earpods. Okay. And some price. And some earpods.jpg. Okay. So that is also electronics category. And here I have some Nike casuals. So some price and photo shoe.jpg. Yeah, shoe.jpg. And here it is under footwear. Okay. Next we have some fashion. So we have some fashion. And here we have t-shirt. And we have some jeans, like t-shirt and jeans. Okay. Some data is here, right? And some price and other details we defined here. So we are configuring something like this, right? And here t-shirt and jeans. Okay. So this is the data. We are having some data. And I need to present this data. We need to present the data. So let's go to the product here. So we are configuring the product here, right? So photo jeans.jpg. Okay, fine. Okay, now we are presenting the data. HTML. In the HTML, let's design. So I'm adding a div class as container fluid. Okay, and here as Amazon shopping, something like this.